Good morning, students. In previous video, we are discussing about asanas and their types. Today, we are going to discuss a new topic, pranayama and its type. Pranayama and its type. As we know, or we already discussed in elements of yoga, pranayama is the fifth element of yoga. Pranayama is fifth element of yoga. Pranayama is derived from two words. Pranayama is derived from two words. Pran means vital energy, and yama means control or holding. Control or holding. So pranayama means control over vital energy or force energy. It means oxygen, the light, breathing, control over breathing. And normally we are saying that pranayama means it is the process to control or holding our respiratory system. As we know, in today's juncture, nowadays, a pandemic, corona, is spread all over the world, and it mainly affects the person respiratory system or lungs. So give strength to our lungs. We can perform pranayama because pranayama enhance the capacity, vital air capacity of lungs. That very helpful to prevent us from corona. So obviously you may have all of them have to practice pranayama at home to stay healthy and safe. So first we can discuss what is pranayama. Now types of pranayama. Before telling you the types of pranayama having 3 steps. Pranayama consists of 3 steps. First, inhalation. It is known as purak. Second, retain breath inside, that's known kumbha. And last one is exhalation, means recha. Here it is. Further, kumbha means retain breath inside in our lungs, further divided into 2 parts. Internal kumbha and external kumbha. Internal kumbha is a kind of process in which it means internal kumbha. Internal kumbha is a process when your suspension or holding, in after full inhalation, holding the capacity after full inhalation is known as internal kumbhak. And if we talk about external kumbhak, bahaya kumbhak, in Hindi it is known as bahaya kumbhak. Then external kumbhak means after the exhalation, the remaining air that kept inside our lungs is known as external kumbhak. Before inhalation, the amount of remaining air inside our lungs is known as external kumbhak after the exhalation. So now move on to different types of pranayama. Here, the types of pranayama. There are many types of pranayama that helpful for human body. First one, if we calculate over here, right over here, then Anulom Vilom. Second one is Ujjayi. Bhastrika. Bhramari. Seethri. Seethkari. Murcha. And many other pranayam is also there, but mainly that we are known is Anulom Vilom, Bhastrika, Bhramari, Seethri, Seethkari and Ujjayi. These are main pranayam that we have to know. Like Anulom Vilom, a famous Rishi Baba Ramdev using Anulom Vilom for better respiration. Have you know how it's performed? Very easy. Just kept one finger on your left nostril, close it and inhale from right nostril. After that, retain breath for some time and exhale from left nostril and close the right nostril. It is known as the process of Anulom Vilom. Bhramari, Bhastrika, Ujjayi. In Ujjayi, we can inhale from both the nostril and exhale from both the nostril after retaining breath inside. Means kumbhak. Bhastrika, Bhramari, a pranayam gives soothing to your thought, mind. Seethri, Seethkari also provides soothness and calmness to our body. So these are the types of pranayama. Now we move on to next topic, meditation. Meditation. There are so many times heard meditation. We are performing meditation. What is meditation? Meditation is also known as dhyana. In Hindi it is known as dhyana. It is the seventh element of Ashtanga Yoga or Yoga. It is the which element? It is seven element of yoga. Meditation is a natural state of human mind. Meditation is natural state of human mind. It helpful for giving relaxation to our mind. It help in focusing towards an object. It also very helpful for making concentration of mind or concentration of any thing. Meditation is the act of remaining. Meditation is the act of remaining in a silent and calm. Remaining silent and calm. Meditation always we can perform meditation in a smooth and clean place where silence is very essential. Where silence is very essential because we can distract mind by different types of sound. So whenever you are practicing over meditation, so you can keep or doing practice in a place where silent and greenery is there. So that is very helpful to keep you to practice in meditation. Now there are very benefit of meditation. There are various benefits of meditation, like it reduce stress of our mind. Second, it help you to sleep better because it gives relaxation to the mind. Then it help to get better sleep. जैसे हम लोग जानते हैं कि बहुत बार स्ट्रेस की वजह से हम लोगों को नींद नहीं आती है, आइसोमेनिया ना काइंड ऑफ स्लीपिंग सिकनेस, तो उसको दूर करता है मेडिटेशन. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, इट हेल्प इन concentration. Help in concentration. So that's all for today. In next video we are discussing about Shuddhi Kriyas. Thank you, beta.